So we have the report na si Alice sa hiyas ng Alice Menomore. Nanganda na siya lang ka.
I'm so very happy because it's been my first time joining in pageant like this. But I would like to thank you, my handler, Kuya Franklena, and
Gikuya ang naka-crop top. Gikuya ang naka-crop top. If I know nakita na ko si Franklin kanina naka-crop top dito. Pero anong kuya? Nagpailang uncle pag beauty, kinahanglan pag pills naghan. Ayan. Kuya ang address. Pero okay na siya. Natural kay kuya, may kitang siyang sound. Kuya din. Kuya! Patay din so. Ayan, sa andang nakamuta magsumang pangkatana. 50-50. So, isa natin Brian, kay 50-50 bali masyada. Ayan, so wala siya kayo like choice. Kung ito bago ng mga pangutana, ayan, can we pick your question? Yan, ako lang yan. Ako lang gang ha. It's your first time yung mag-join.
Yeah.
Okay. This is such a beautiful young lady. Gwapa kay, agree ba mo gwapa kay? Ning anak ka, tong bata pa ka. Diyan lang ito. Gwapa kay kanto, kung rin yung kang 20s. Kawi, kaya masimunay ko niya, bakto yung tagpinalay ko. Okay, alam na ka? Okay, your question is, which moment from this competition is your favorite? Yan. Which moment from this competition is your favorite?
The one thing that this pageant is the most favorite is that the long gown. Why? It because it showcased my beauty, not just in inner side but outside. And I think this gown, I think it will fit on me. It's really fit, and I think that the part of the gown competition is to showcase our beauty and talent. That's all. Thank you.
Hey, thank you so much, Garrett. There he is, number 1.